This is Manoj. Today, let me discuss about weeks or weeks problem of the day. The question here, the name of the question is find anagrams in linked list. Okay, let me go through this question. Given a linked list of characters and a string S, okay, he is given a linked list and also a string S. Return all the anagrams of the string present in the given linked list. In case of overlapping anagrams, choose the first anagram from the. Okay. If they are overlapping, then we need to choose the anagram which is at the leftmost. Uh, that is what we are saying. From this here we can observe the given string is BAC. In this linked list we can see that ABC which contains all the characters present in this. So he taken ABC and also we can observe here BACA it's also present all the characters in this. But according to the question, here they mentioned clearly that we need to select only one which is at leftmost. So we need to skip this and we need to start from here again. In this, it is not matching, right? D is included, which is extra character that is not present in the string S. So again, we start here. We can append this as we can see that matching between these two strings. So here he written the last three in the list notes. There is the same explanation given here. Okay, come to the problem example 2. Here we can observe that the string is BAC. We can see here AB is present, but in between D, which is not present in S. Since due to this character, there is no, no list present which matches with S. That's why he written -1. This is the problem. Okay, let me explain it briefly by using this example. This example consists of duplicate. That's why I taken here this example. Mm, see, also I'm explaining the approach for this problem in the same presentation. So listen carefully. Here the input values I taken as ABC and the I taken instead of list I taken it as array. Uh, Yeah, array A, B, C, triple C, and B, A. This is the theme. The approach, what I am doing is initially uh, I will make an array of size 26 since all the we know all the alphabets are 25, right? So that's why I'm taking array size as all the alphabets are 26, right? That's why I'm taking the size as 26. Uh, I'm making all the see here ABC, right? ABC means I am making see what here means uh, um, uh, hoping so you know that I am making a as integer value which results to 0. We know that as the character of a is 65, right? If I subtract with the 65 means then it's written to 0, right? B. For B, we know that answer character of B is 66. We subtract with the 65, then it returns 1. This is what I'm making here. A as 1, the string values A as 1, B as 1, C as 1. The count, see for example, if there is again C is the present, then I will increase the second index value by 1. It will becomes 2. I'm counting the number of characters present in the string. It actually goes for 26, but to reduce the space, I'm using only 3. Actually, I initialize the array with 26 size. That's what I'm saying. Present array. This is the initial array that I am creating and making all the values as 0. Okay. How I solve this problem is I will initialize the node starting node as start and end as also same node head only. And present array is initialized with all zeros, and current count as initially I will initialize current count also 0, and the length of present length is end minus start plus 1. This is the length of the string that I make here. Okay. Now at starting we know that, see here we can observe at starting a is here a is present, right? So if this character is also present in S means, then I will increase the respective index by 1. So here we can observe here a is present in string, also a is present. That's why I'm increasing here 1 in the first iteration, and I will move the end value, increase the end value by 1. Now we can see that again a is present. Here also a is present. I increase present value as 1 by 1. And current count. Current count is nothing but I mean, see here we can make count is equal to 3, right? Total length of the string is length of the S is 3. Current count is the number of characters that are actually present in the S. Since this is the extra value, right? Here two A's are I'm considering, but only one A is required in S, as only one A is present in S. So I don't increase the value of current count by 1. I will keep it constant because there is only one A, and length is n minus start plus 1. Uh, this is the length of the string, length of the linked list. It is 2, right? Okay. Now I will increase n by 1. We can observe again A is present. So I will increase that current count. I will keep it as it is, and I will increase the length by 3. After reaching this 3, since ABC length also 3, so if the length is increased by if suppose the length is 4 means, then it is not a valid linked list. So that's why I need to subtract the starting letter start by, I mean, I need to move the start by 1 to the right. So what I do is I will check that I will make some checks here, and I will decrease the value again, and I will move start to the next. So I will increase the start value by 1, and in this in value automatically increases by 1, and now I will observe B here, B. So here we can see that I increased that value by 1, and current count will be 2 because there is no only one B present and also one B in the string, right? So I will increase the current count by 2, and length of the string is as it is, start n minus start plus 1. See again, now again 3 is there, right? Length of the string. So I will move the start by 1 and 4, and see we can observe that at the same time we need to decrease here, since we move the start, right? And A value is decreased, right? So I'm decreasing the A value by 1. And in the next iteration also I will decrease A value by 1 and B, and we can see that C value is added, which is not present earlier, and C value also present in S. That's why I increase it. And current count is 3, and length of the string is equal to 3. Since here current count is equal to the length of the string, then automatically I know that exact string is matched. This string is matched, right? That's why I append this list into the result array. The same procedure. After that, we need to reset the values, right? Since in the question they mentioned that we don't need to consider overlapping values. So I will initialize start value as next. I mean, up to this the value is done. So I will initialize start value from this value, from this pointer. That is the same operation I will make here also. After see here this string I will add into the result array. So I will return the entire result that I added. Let me code it now. Yeah, you can return, we need to return our list of node. So I will take the one array list of type node and I give it as result. mm, Okay. Now, as usual, I will initialize on a required array of size 26 and also present array of same size 26. Now we know that I need to fill the values present in the string. So I will add here. See how I'm converting the character into. Yeah, yeah, of C plus equal to 1. I'm increasing. Okay, I will initialize value count here. I initialize 0. I mean length of the string. I'm increasing the count value also. Now, okay, uh, now I will make node start. I will make start value initially at third. To also length of the string is currently 0 and also and count also 0. We can see here. mm, So now I will iterate the linked list while up to the end. You can see here if I need to check initially I need to check if this length exactly is equal to length of the string, then I need to move the start value by one, right? That's what I'm making here. If this value, I mean not this value, this length, if this length is equal to count, count of the string, length of the string, then I will check like whether I need to subtract from the present array or not. Like when I will subtract from the present array, if the string is actually present. See, if I take some letter Z here, this is not present in S, right? So I didn't add. I mean, I didn't add here since it is not present yes. So I also don't need to subtract, right? That's what I'm saying. Mm, will make character okay. Here, it dictionary routines. Data minus a. Okay. Yes, I will check here whether it contains a character or not. Only I will subtract from this. Okay. If I add duplicates means, if see here how there are three characters. If I move means then also I don't need to subtract the count, right? There are extra two are present. I didn't change the count. That's what I'm checking here. Okay, I'm moving to next start with the start up next. After that, I need to subtract the value length as minus one. Uh, node dot okay, node dot data here, right? Okay. Data is minus from. Now what I need to do? After moving the start to the next value, I need to add the end value. I need to check for the end value. So, I will take the end index. I will check like whether this value is present in this string or not. If it is present means then I need to add this value to the present string. At present of C plus is equal to 1. Okay. Before that, see, if I need before that, I need to check for the value. Like, see, if required amount of characters are present in the present array, then I don't need to increase the current count value, right? That's what I'm making here. See, if the present of C is less than required amount of C, if it is less than means, then only I need to add current count value by 1. So I don't need to add this value by 1. Mm, Okay, after that, last part, we need to check the current count value if it is equal to the length of the string. Length of the string is nothing but count value. If it is equal to count, then what I need to make? If it is length of count, then see, I need to I need to initialize. Before initializing, I need to add that list from start to end in the result array. How to add? I will declare one temp variable. Okay, and I will also make the end value. Before making that, I will store the end dot next because after that we need to connect the end value to the null, right, before appending. So after that I will append this value. Okay. Now I need to make when initialize start value as the next value. Next value means last, and also same thing for the end also last. Okay. After that I need to make the length value as 0, and also current count also 0. Uh, and also I need to make the present array values all 0. Okay. If it is not means I just need to move if the current count is not is equal to count means I just need to increment the values. Yeah. After that, what? I need to return the result array. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Here, I didn't take in the length, right? I just initialize the details. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Yeah, length, right? Of substance, of this response, thank you.